Hey, welcome back, family. I'm glad you're here. Today's video is all about turning your passion into profit. So how do you make money doing the things that you love to do? That's what this video is all about. So for all my first timers, my name is Jarvis Judah. I'm a business coach. I own a company called Sire Solutions, and all we do is help small companies and large companies grow. So if you get any value from this video, hit the subscribe button, and that way you can join the family, and YouTube can let you know when the next video is out. All right. All right, so how do you turn your passion into profit? Well, once you figure out your passion, you have to think about it from a monetary standpoint. So I'll give you a perfect example. My passion, as everyone knows, is business development. I have been helping companies grow for so long, just coaching them, teaching them how to get their LLCs, how to get, their website design, their logos, how to market, all these different things. And I didn't even realize, it sounds crazy, but I didn't even realize that I can make money on this or whatever. So one of my friends that I helped start a trucking company took his company from $0 to $1.2 million with my help. And so he asked me, hey, do you want to be a partner? Do you want a percentage of my company? And at first I didn't want to take, anything from the company because I was like, I didn't feel like it was work. And a lot of times your passion, it don't feel like work. It don't feel like you're actually working. And so I didn't realize that I should get paid for what I was doing. So I actually took him up on his offer after a year. And then guess what? I started creating money with my passion, which is helping people grow their companies. So you may have a passion to cook, you may have a passion to clean, you may have a passion to sing, whatever it may be. You have to look at your company, look at your passion as a company and start trying to figure out, how can I monetize this? You can monetize anything. I give you a perfect example. People eating, right? You might love to eat. There's literally a YouTube channel out there. I don't know the name of it, but it's actually channels out there where people actually go just to watch people eat. And they have millions and millions of views. People actually pay and spend their time just to watch someone else eat or whatever. So you can make money doing anything. People sell dirt. There's dirt in the flowers that's outside of your house. So people sell, fertilizer, cow manure. There's actually poop. And people make money selling it. And so there's nothing that cannot make money in this day and age. You just have to think about it from a monetary standpoint and from a marketing standpoint. How can I monetize my gifts? So let's go through another one of my gifts. I'm an actor. I've always been into theater and, the arts and different things like that ever since I was a little one. And I did music too, a little rapper, right? So guess what? All I learned to do was business when I was growing up. And so I applied that to my acting and to my music. So when I got into college, after I had dropped my agent, or my agent dropped me for turning down so many roles in movies and films and stuff, I ended up starting my own production company. And at the college, I would put on theater productions, I would put on plays and fashion shows and music concerts, different things like that. And I actually sold tickets to those concerts and to those plays. And guess what? I started making money with my passion. So if you're a rapper, if you're an actor or actress or a dancer, start putting on shows and find other actors and dancers and stuff like that, or whatever, to be a part of your shows, have them sell tickets with you, and then all y'all can come up. So don't wait for someone else to put you on, put yourself on, but have a business mindset. Tyler Perry is a perfect example. He owns the rights to everything that he does because he was not just an actor or just a director or just a writer. He made sure that he was a producer. So start producing with your art. The next step is start looking at your gift as a business. Look at it as an actual business. You want to know the numbers. How much should I charge for this? What is the industry currently charging for the very same service? And how does my product or my service actually add up and equate or whatever with someone else's? So you need to make sure that you look at your gifts as an actual business. And so definitely you need to start making money with your business. You need to start making money with your purpose, with your gift and your talents. Do not let someone tell you, oh, you're good at this, I'm your friend, I just do it for free for me. No, it's okay in the very, very beginning to build up your resume, to build up your portfolio and different things like that, to do some freebies here and there or whatever, just so you can actually show people your work or whatever. But at some point you have to start charging for what you do. So if they're really your friends, they're really your family, they should actually pay you for what you do if they really want to support you. So you first have to discipline yourself and say, hey, I am worth something. My talent is worth something, and it is worth money. It is worth my time. It is worth my effort, and it is worth your paycheck. So you have to make sure you discipline yourself to actually charge people what you feel you're worth. So another part of looking at your passion or your gift as a business is actually being business-like. So when you're actually conducting business, you want to make sure you're on time. A lot of artists, a lot of producers out there, they're not good at time. They're not good at actually sticking to a certain timeline. So I know all you creatives out there, your head is just all everywhere. That's not how business works. Business is not all everywhere. You gotta bring it in. And if you don't know how to do that, you need to get an assistant, an intern, or something like that that can help you manage that organization part of your business. Because if you're not organized and you're not presenting yourself in a professional way, people won't want to pay for your service. So be sure that you're on time. Be sure that you present the things that you're supposed to be presenting to them, or your deliverables, on the actual schedule that you said you was gonna have it finished and produced by. Make sure that you take the time to ask your customers what they like. Make sure you make the edits that need to be made, but make sure overall that you present yourself in the most business way possible. It is super, super important, and that will make people want to pay you more for the exact same service. So I hope you guys got value from this. I hope you guys actually start looking at your passion and try to figure out ways that you can produce income from using your passion. And I hope you guys start studying business and actually start working on organizing yourself in a way that people will actually see you as a business person and not just JoJo or not just Sally, you know? So make sure you present yourself in the most professional way possible so you can charge the professional prices. Again, if you haven't already, click subscribe and the notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know what's going on with me when it go on with me. Look, I love you, family. I'm glad you're here. And hey, just click that face right there and you can subscribe. All right, love you. Peace out.